Brielle's room. This is a DVD. Brielle's iPad is with her. This is her Lola. And another Lolo and Lola. Lolo. I put all of my mom and dad's pictures here. Teachers Award this year, Best in Science. Brielle has a lot of awards in school. Her work that she chooses to put in because some work she doesn't want to do. Brielle did a good job last year in school. She was a student of the month of August. Student month of August. And she's working on puzzle. There's a lot of puzzles she's finished already. The drawer, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 of these. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Her altar, where she to keep her safe. Books. She has these books. Okay. And choice another books. Her auntie gave her weighted blanket. This is from Auntie Maricel. Her toys. She loves this hat. I bought her a witchy costume which she requested to wear on Halloween, and she loved that hat. All of her dolls. And she loved this set, so I have it out. Cupcake set and ice cream. She just loved those. This is for like puppets. This one is really nice. This one, how to open it? Forgot to open it. Forgot how to open this one. And she loves a mirror. She wants the mirror when she watch a video. She wants to watch the video on the mirror. Okay, and all of her, what is that called movie? Oh my goodness, why I forgot. Oh, she has several DVDs. She loves DVDs. She loves Sesame Street characters. She loves Baby Einstein and Baby Einstein DVDs, and she loved this. She just loved this. Pictures of Frozen. She loves to play with that. I forgot this one. I know those emotions. Anger, mad, excited. Forgot. Okay, she has 2 laptops, 1 phone and 1 iPad. She has a tablet that she's no longer using. Okay guys, this is her room. And I put some lights there that would turn on during the night, scheduled by the like a Wi-Fi plug, and would turn on scheduled at time and turn off at scheduled time. Bye bye guys.